Pacific.
Another resort stay.
All right, we're gonna show you the benefits of staying here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So we are here early to check in just to get our express. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. They said we could get here as early as 6 in the morning if we want, because you might want to get that early park admission and the express passes, and then you can go to your room later. So I would highly recommend coming here early to get your express. We're going to show you all the perks for staying here. Reminds me of the Polynesian a little bit. Very like tropical.
There's 2 of them. Look at me.
I can still hear the Hulk from here. It's beautiful.
This is nice in here.
This is nice. We just did a Sapphire Falls, so we're going to compare it to that and the Hard Rock. So when you enter to the left, you're going to get in line. I would highly recommend doing the mobile check-in first, because you are going to save a lot of time if you do it the night before. They also have a little tuk-tuk market that has coffee and some drinks. I'm going to show that the next day. And then this is the sushi restaurant that is amazing. The sushi was delicious. I'm going to briefly show that when we get it to go later. To the left is the restaurant we're going to eat at for dinner. It's the Islands Market. And then to the right is the pool. But first we are headed to the water taxi because we worked on a video that shows how much time you save with Express. On the way to the water taxi is this arcade. It's pretty small, just like the Hard Rock and Sapphire Falls, maybe 15 to 20 games, but it's there if there's something you would like to do whenever it's nighttime and everything else is kind of closed. The water taxi is pretty easy to find. It's a nice pathway, and it only takes about 10 minutes or so of a little drive, 5 to 10 minute boat ride. It's got a nice view as well. Later in the video we'll show the walkway, but honestly both options are great. To the left there is Sapphire Falls, which also has a water taxi, and then this is from the water taxi from Royal Pacific. Now it is busier during the day, but it's easy to fit everyone on, and it's just a nice little ride to CityWalk, which takes you to Islands of Adventure and Universal Orlando. A huge perk to staying at Royal Pacific is the Express. You will have Express Unlimited for everyone in your party in a standard room that's up to 5 people, which really saves a lot of money instead of buying Express separately. If you watch our video, I show the standby times versus our Express waits, and we do save a lot of time for almost every ride. We went to the park, had a stress-free day, just using Express all day, and then we got a text around 3 p.m. So after we were done riding rides, we went ahead and headed back on the water taxi to Royal Pacific to check out our room. All you have to do is go to the concierge desk, and then you just pick up your new room keys. Alright, so they got a little gift shop. I probably won't really stop in our video to be quick. We are in 1731, so it'll be Tower 1, 7th floor, if it's like Sapphire Falls. Well, this is a better view.
Oh, and
The splash pad over there too. The splash pad looks nicer. I don't know if I see a slide though. Do you see a slide?
nope.
This looks like the Shining hallway or something.
What do I unlock?
Oh, cool. I like our view. Here.
Whoa.
Wow, I like our view.
Oh yeah.
You can see.
This looks amazing. I can see the whole park.
That's
wow,
pretty cool.
We're way up. Oh, I can see people. I can see the whole. I can see like look, Dr. Zoo.
Yeah.
Look over there. I can see CityWalk.
Yeah.
I see CityWalk too.
Yeah, I see that Antejitos. And we can watch the people go on the Hulk. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm in first. I can see Caesar.
And you can also see Dudley Do-Right and Jurassic River Adventure from our room, which is really cool.
Yeah, it's in the corner. This is gonna be my drawer. I'm gonna put my book, my card.
Okay, so let's see what we got in there, buddy.
See, look, Mommy. This is my drawer. Okay.
That's a safe, so it has the same. It has an iron. I don't see the hair dryer yet. Iron. Oh, there it is. Hair dryer. Same one as Sapphire Falls.
Okay.
It has have a little vanity area, a huge mirror.
Look at this is a good house.
So TV,
No one can enter.
phone, they got nice beds. Looks about the same size as Sapphire Falls did, and I 100% love the view just because you can get an awesome view of the Hulk and, well, basically Marvel. That's really neat. And I like the style of this hotel better. Rick and I like the style better of the hotel than Sapphire Falls, but they are both really good resorts. They're both really pretty. So I can't say, you know, one is necessarily better than the other. It's like a walk-in shower, kind of like the other resort we stayed at, Sapphire Falls, with a little sit-down area here, so that's nice. And of course you got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and just, you know, the regular toilet. So it's a nice little bathroom, good enough for a stay. All right, so they do have the same kind of coffee, French roast, and the decaf with the creamers. And then this little fridge, we got the to-go sushi, so it's a good fridge. If you have leftovers, at least they'll fit. At the Orchid Court Lounge and Sushi Bar, they had some great options. We got it to go just because the kids don't really eat sushi, but they had some appetizers, and the waitress recommended a couple of different sushi options. We ended up getting the crab rangoon roll and then the tropical roll, but I would come back here just to try more. Both of them had really good flavors, and she was right about the tropical. The pineapple has a nice touch to it. Alright, this is the map of the Royal Pacific Resort. You got the lobby entrance, the Orchid Court with the sushi, the water taxi, shuttle bus, garden walkway. We're gonna do, there's a bar and grill, the pavilion, garden law, dog park, the croquet lawn. So it's a pretty big resort. Now we are in Tower 1, up on the 7th floor, the very top. And then these are some of the places here. I'll show you. They have like a gym, cabanas, hot tub, splash pad, dog park, gift shop, all that stuff. So it's pretty easy to find stuff actually. This is the Islands dining room, which is right across from the pool. One of the best restaurants we've been to at a hotel, besides the kitchen at Hard Rock. Both are delicious. There is a walk station that you can do all you can eat for $30 a person, but we ended up choosing some items on the menu. Vanessa chose the kids pizza and Jack chose the mac and cheese, and then we are trying a couple different starters as well as the Islands fried rice, and then Rick is trying the shrimp pad thai, and of course we are going to be saving room for dessert. There are a lot of options and the pricing isn't too bad, but we're going to try this jumbo pineapple donut that I guess they are known for. So these are the rangoons. Looks like what, handmade basically?
Yeah, these are definitely
hand-breaded pot stickers, which Rick will talk about soon. And the spring rolls, and we got a separate rangoon. They are small, but I'm sure they're tasty. I like this. It's got a little kick, but it's really good with the crab rangoon. This is some of the best we've had. It's just like, the whole thing has good flavor, the breading and the inside.
Yeah, the wonton shell. That's good. That's good crab rangoon. The wonton shells. I mean, I don't know which ones they're using, but they're really good.
Yeah, they have a
the
nice
ingredients
flavor.
you can tell it's been made here.
Yeah, not just frozen.
Yeah, it's very good. Green onion.
It's got a nice real crunch to it.
Very fresh.
Yeah, very good.
Like even the cabbage and everything is still crispy inside.
Yeah, it is.
Most of the time we've had these, it's been like soggy stuff.
Yeah.
This is very good.
This is the inside of the pot sticker. Chef Rick says they did them right.
Yeah, these are the right way. They reduced them down in water and they stuck to the pan like they're supposed to.
Yeah,
that pork is like the best.
Yeah. All the appetizers are great. I'd say my favorite is the crab rangoon.
Wow.
But the other two are tied. Alright, so Pumpkin got the pizza.
Cut it.
That looks good. It's
it
pretty
looks
big.
great.
And Buddy Boy got the mac and
I
cheese.
give you a piece.
Here you go, buddy. And they're spiral noodles.
This is the shrimp, toasted coconut,
That's
pineapple,
pretty cool.
peas, carrots, bean sprouts, and egg. And the shrimp pad thai has the seasonal vegetables, tamarind, egg, rice noodles, and peanuts. Alright, so you can tell that the vegetables are fresh. The egg, I can taste everything all together. And the shrimp has a little kick to it, but it's just juicy. I don't know how to explain it, but everything is really, really good. I'd get this again. It has a really nice flavor with the pineapple too.
I'm really impressed with the shrimp pad thai. The noodles are like, they're like egg noodles, but they are like they're succulent, I don't know what else to say. And you get a portion of the shrimp. I think I've already went through 5 or 6. Everything is nice and fresh and crunchy as far as vegetables. Even the mac and cheese for the children is very nice. It's spiral noodles. This is very good. Not too spicy. Just the flavor is just, I can't describe it. It's so good.
And finally, this is the jumbo pineapple donuts. It has pineapple cream in the middle, caramel white powdered sugar on top with coconut ice cream, and the pineapple inside is charred. It goes through a conveyor belt.
All right, let's go ahead and dig into that. Yeah, that ice cream is coconut ice cream.
Okay.
It's really good. It's really warm.
How is it, Buddy? Did you try?
Wow.
Pumpkin, try it with a coconut. Can you try a bite? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
They're like charred.
It's like a char.
Yeah, look at it.
What?
It's charred.
Hold on.
It's like charred pineapple. Universal Resorts have
Some of the best dessert. Oh my gosh, we can come here just for this.
The winner is the cake.
You can see the pineapple right here, all inside.
That's some of the best stuff ever.
Best dessert we've had in a long time. I would just come back for this.
Try.
Come get it. I don't care if you get anything else. Come and get this donut.
I want to eat more, but I don't want to make myself sick.
I know. And one of the final perks is the pool. We did it at night just because we wanted to take our time during the day to do rides and explore the park, explore the hotel. But I believe the pool was open until about 10 p.m., so plenty of time. The kids liked running around in the splash pad, and you can go and shoot water at each other, but be warned, that water is not heated. In the pool it is heated, but not in the splash pad. I'd say so far Sapphire Falls is my favorite pool, and then the Hard Rock, and then this one, just because the other two do have water slides. Now with these resorts, you are allowed to pool hop. You just can't pool hop from Endless Summer. But if you stay at the Hard Rock, Sapphire Falls, Royal Pacific, or Portofino Bay, you are allowed to pool hop.
Okay. It's so funny.
The kids were just happy to splash around for a good hour. There are plenty of lifeguards as well, so I felt really safe. It's still a nice pool, and I let Vanessa take the GoPro for a quick tour around the splash pad.
Put it away. Yep, this is how it looks.
And finally, this was a view from our room at night. Holy moly, it was gorgeous. I ended up not being able to sleep, so I sat and just looked out the window and just enjoyed the peace and quiet. The reasons why you want to stay here: the view, the pool, the food, express passes, and the early park admission. The last thing we're going to show you, like I had said, is the Tuk Tuk Market. They've got the coffee in the morning, which we definitely needed. And then they have a few things. They were out of a lot. I don't know if that's normal, but they had yogurts and some deli items, some salads. They did have a few hot breakfast sandwiches that might be good for if you just want to hurry up and get to the park and not be starving. And then some beverages, brownie bites, and some pastries, smoothies, things like that at the register. This is like a nice little outdoor area just from the inside to walk around in, get some peace. You can sit down in here. It is bright though.
Yeah.
So there's like not really any shade. It's cool.
That's the way to the other hotel.
Okay, so Sapphire Falls is the bridge, and CityWalk is this way. We're gonna take the scenic route today. We might take the boat back to the car and head out tonight. If it's a beautiful day and maybe the boat has a longer line than you'd like to wait in, I would definitely take the walkway. It did not take long at all. Now, we've never seen a long line for a boat, but it could happen maybe at park opening. We went a little bit later. This pathway is the closest to Islands of Adventure, and if you stay at the Hard Rock, then you would be on closer to the Universal Studios side. Both resorts seem really close to the park. I believe Hard Rock is slightly closer, but really it's not a huge difference. We do have a Hard Rock tour with all the perks as well at that hotel, but I'd have to say I can't really pick between the two. It's really just a matter of theming. And make sure to check Florida resident specials or annual pass holder specials if you have a pass, because sometimes you can get a $200 room instead of $400 or $500 a night.